Okay, so this thing right here, I get actually this thing right here, like w squared, is what's called a monomial. So w would also be a monomial. So would 5. All right, and if you have like a w squared, like let's say like plus 5, you know what that's called? It's called a binomial. Binomial. You didn't say it at all. No, I said it. Did you say it? I'm kidding. I just wanted to just get a reaction out of you. Okay, then. So then you have, what about w squared plus 5x? What would that be called? What would that be called? Uh-huh. Monomial. This guy's called a binomial again. What about w squared plus 5x plus 3? What would that be called? Trinomial. You're about to get the next one wrong. What is w cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 7 called? Watch. Watch. What's it called? What's it called? Do you think it's called a quadnomial? Or a tetranomial? No. Anything after... Okay. A, polynomial. B, raccoon. C, Steve. That's it. It's called a Steve. It's polynomial. So anything over 3 is just a polynomial. You with me? All right. So we're factoring a what? What are we factoring in this problem? Which one of these bad boys are we factoring? We're factoring a trinomial. A trinomial. All right. So when you factor trinomials, you're doing FOIL in reverse. What'd I say? That's right. Okay, so now, I'm pretty sure you said lightning. Okay, so, are you watching? Alright, do you think this is an easy problem or a hard problem? And if you're wrong on this answer, I'm going to shout and say, wrong. What just happened? So, why is this an easy problem? There's two types of factorings of trinomials, and you need to know which one is going to make you cry. It is not going to be this one. This one is going to make you happy. You know why? Because there is an invisible one right there. Anytime you have a factor problem with nothing in the front, like a factor of trinomial and it's like something squared, piece of cake. When they put numbers in the front like this, way harder. Okay? So we're going to do the piece of cake ones first. And so, like, textbooks and stuff actually keep them as two separate sections. They teach you this one first. All right. First thing you're going to do, you're going to make a bookshelf. We did this before. You might have been like, I don't want to do the bookshelf. I want to do it my way. Okay. So on top of the bookshelf, you're going to put this number 21. Now you have to ask yourself, hey, Ashley, or myself, what times what is 21? Hey, what? For what? To what? To gigolo. But guess what? It's popsicle. It's like popsicle. But okay, we had this whole debate about this before. I know, but that's a weird one. I don't know that. And this is how I popsicle. Popsicle. No, gigolos. I don't even know why you talk about gigolos in camp. What kind of camp is this? Okay, ready? Do you know what a gigolo is? Do you know what a gigolo is? A male prostitute. Uh-huh. Okay, ready? Okay, watching? Watching? Alright, so you have to ask yourself, what times what is 21? What times what is 21? Hey, you. Hey, what? What times what is 21? Okay, watch. Need you watching? Alright, so what goes in our bookshelf? 7 times 3. You know what else goes in our bookshelf? 21 times 1. Alright, so what number are we trying to get to? What number goes in our bookshelf? Is it the first one, the middle one, or the last one? Well, which one goes on top of the bookshelf? And your full attention on this. Which one goes on top of the bookshelf? Alright, 21. Wait, what number goes on top of the bookshelf? Oh, 21. Is it the first one, the middle one, or the last one? The last one. Alright, so far you put the last one on top of the bookshelf, and inside, what goes inside the bookshelf? Let's say, like in here was like an 18, like that was 18. What would go inside the bookshelf if you had an 18 there? And 6 and 3. All right, now from here, you have to pick which two, add or subtract. You can change the signs in any way to give you the middle, to give you this 10. Which one of these two, if you didn't multiply them, but you added or subtracted them, which one would give you 10? All right, so 7 and 3 go down over. So 7 and 3. 7 and 3. So how does 7 and 3 give you 10? Wait, look at me. Psst. Look up. How does 7 and 3 give you 10? Handsome. Handsome is the word. Or fine. Fine. I saw that. So is that a positive 7 or a negative 7? Is that a positive 3 or a negative 3? All right. Now look. Ready? Ready? Watching? Okay, look. You're not looking. Okay, so then you go like this. You go W plus 7 times W plus what? W plus 7. W plus 3. Now let's go ahead and FOIL this open. So this is the answer, by the way. So if we FOIL it, what do we get? Let's FOIL it to make sure we did it. FOIL. What do you get? W squared plus 3W plus 21. All right, hook up the middles. So W squared plus 10W plus 21. Did we do it right? All right. You write this. So they want you to factor it, so this is factored. Like that. The second part that we did was just checking it.